morning, guys. It's your boy Butch from IMPERIAL Auto. It's another beautiful day. It's a great day to be alive. We headed to Lamborghini Houston for Men's Health November Awareness Month, or Men's Health Awareness Month. It's about, you know, prostate cancer and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool, pretty good to go ahead and go and support and do a little donation here and there and take care of everybody. Buckle up. We're about 10 minutes already late. Welcome to Imperial TV. So, it's Men's Health Awareness Month. Can you tell me more about it?
So today at Lamborghini Houston, we're doing a rally and a drive focus on us, the guys, for once. You know, we don't do this often, but today is all about men's health. So we're gonna have some fun, then we're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna get pampered today. We're gonna get our, you know, haircuts, our beard trimmed. Yeah, why not?
And I'm gonna get a haircut too. Stay tuned.
For real?
I'm not joking. You'll see. That's my old friend. Well, old, but old friend.
New old.
I'm getting nervous.
For Movember? For Movember?
They're still growing. I keep telling her to sit on there and keep fertilizing it.
It's working. It's working.
Break it down.
And the winner is
Me! I love it. I am the winner. It's a no-go. So this feels like I'm racing my own Squadra Corsa back when I had my Squadra Corsa for about 6 years now. Well, no, 5 years. I had mine only for 5 years. That car is immaculate. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. Just like seeing it makes me miss mine. Squadra Corsa. I think they only made 50 of those worldwide, 15 only in the US. So this is Alfonso's second one. He had one originally, put some miles on it, then he bought another one with low miles. Mine had low miles, sold it, and I sold it for really dirt cheap, and that was before the inflammation. Now, I regret selling it, for real. I should have kept it. We make choices, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're okay, sometimes they're bad. So, next time we'll keep one. You like my new haircut? Well, actually I don't have hair. So I can blend in, I had to make a, a participation choice by getting some hair. It's natural. See, when I say it, my hair is done at Invisible Exchange, it's because it's always invisible. So here at a different barber shop, now you can actually see it's visible. So I'm here for a haircut. Let's see how. Hey, you know what would be so cool? I'm gonna be like, yeah, I need a haircut, and then, oh yeah, we can fool these guys right here. Oh my god, let's play this. Well, my hair has been bothering me a lot, and it went from invisible to actually visible. So they said this barbershop is badass, so let's see what they could do to my hair. Stay tuned for the next hair treatment.
I do. It's great. Love it. It's
Got it from my mom.
We're just this theoretical.
Oh, I haven't sat on a barber chair for decades. Well, not decades, probably like maybe 2 years. Just the last time I've been to a barber.
Just let me know what I need to do. Going through, just coming in.
I am so excited. Oh, I love it.
Not too much, please.
Oh, of course. Light trim.
Oh my god, this is so hilarious. Here, I'm gonna put you on Instagram too, because I think this is the coolest thing.
Sure, let's do it. Get it for the gram.
You want it coming down? Yes. Okay, yeah, but
That's a fast haircut.
How you feeling?
Hell yeah! My hair feels it's like aerodynamic slash like weight reduction. Invisible.
What happened?
Love it. I just had a very fast buzz.
It went from party to law enforcement.
Like Lambos. May I have your attention, please? Okay, we're ready. Thank you so much, Boardroom. Thank you so much, Indigo Auto Group, for hosting this great event. Thank you for the goodie bags. Thanks to Pablo. And thanks to Pablo Pedeza for making things happen here. I gotta get back to business. Who is this?
man, it's only one bag per person. Why are you taking everything?
Oh.
Gotta return those.
Well, that's it for today, guys. We got me a nice haircut, nice drive. Saturday's still a beautiful Saturday. We're still gonna rock on. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to Imperial TV. Ciao.